the national flag of Somalia.
Good afternoon, distinguished colleagues, esteemed representatives, and honored guests. I extend my warmest greetings and New Year wishes. It's with a profound gratitude that I acknowledge Ambassador Omarov, the permanent representative of Kazakhstan, for his distinguished initiative in arranging this flag ceremony and today's significant moment. I extend my warm congratulations to Ambassador Amar Benjama, the permanent representative of Algeria, upon his assumption of the Council's presidency for the month of January. As a proud member state of African Union, the Arab League, and Organization of Islamic Cooperation, we are profoundly conscious of the sacred trust placed in our nation and the weight of responsibility that accompany this mandate. Speaking on behalf of the Somali people, under the distinguished leadership of His Excellency, Dr. Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, the President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, I hereby affirm the Somali's membership in the Security Council shall be steadfastly guided by the principles enshrined in the UN Charter and the fundamental tenets of the international law. We pledge our unwavering commitment to the advancement of peace and security and to preservation of the sovereign territory. Integrity and political independence is for all member states of the United Nations. Somalia stands resolutely committed to fostering close cooperation with all Council members in the pursuit for a better world and better future for all.